Okay, boys. It's shaped like a broom, has spiral wires at the bottom, and it spins. What is it?
I know that one.
Somebody's never used a broom.
That's not a
Tommy,
broom.
you and I were just
is a
talking about this.
broom.
I know we're starting to shop for nursing homes, and I know you've been looking.
Starting to?
Yeah, and the one I was at the other day, it was unbelievable. You know, they get bingo at 3, Jeopardy at 5, and you want to come down, and sometimes you can't make the 3 o'clock bingo. All right, well, it is portable bingo.
Are there any numbers on those things? No. It's not what it is.
Oh my God.
My hand's stuck.
Very
They're not
creative.
even close. This is a massager, a back massager. Turn around, Sonny.
My.
Yeah, no,
Turn
no.
around,
No,
turn
come on.
around.
We're all the team.
You're gonna love this. Look at that. How's that feel, huh?
Actually, that's
You get the
kinda-
back of your neck like
Oh,
that.
watch the quaff. Watch a little
Look at it,
lower.
and come around this way.
Oh.
The handle's not long enough for that.
Okay, okay.
Long way around. All right, wake up.
Wrap it
wake
up.
up. Wake up.
Come on,
Stop.
No,
Oh,
That's it. That's exactly what it is.
very nice,
Yeah.
but not what it is. I don't know what you all do to walk your hamster, but this
What do
is
you
my
do?
hamster walker. Harry, my hamster, used to be on the wheel, just looking at the same thing all day
That's
long.
what they do.
Yeah.
And that seemed a little cruel.
Yeah.
So now
so bored.
I put him in and I take him out and we walk and I send him forward and backwards while I walk and
He's lost a lot
Very
of weight.
good
Tommy.
the
exercise.
whole neighborhood sprint,
You go in the neighborhood.
Those little legs, those little legs.
sprint. Harry.
Okay, okay. You're the closest
Thank
because you had it touching the ground.
Oh, that's
what
it?
it actually does is it picks up nuts.
Hamster nuts.
It could be hamster nuts, the shrapnel, but acorns.
Acorns. Okay.
All you do is wheel it right over.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's fun for all ages, young and old.
Any kind of nuts?
You can
like
even
macadamia?
do it from your wheelchair.
How about
Yep.
chestnuts?
Chestnuts.
Roasted
it
nuts.
works.
Oh, look at that.
And then you have your collection, and there you go.
Just see right here. E7.
Oh, bingo!
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.